You wanna get those chiseled hollow cheeks that are so popular right now? Get ready, because I am going to reveal some secrets to help you achieve that handsome and defined look. But first, let's understand what hollow cheeks are and why they are so desirable. Hollow cheeks are a result of well-defined facial muscles and low body fat percentage. They create a more sculpted appearance, enhancing your facial features and helping you stand out from the crowd. So here are some easy to follow tips that can help you achieve those head-turning hollow cheeks. Number 1. Facial exercises. Just like we work out our bodies, our facial muscles need exercise too. Incorporate exercises like cheek puffs, fish face, and jaw lifts into your daily routine. Perform these exercises every day for at least 1 to 2 weeks and you'll definitely notice a difference. Number 2. Diet and nutrition. Consuming a well-balanced diet is essential for achieving those chiseled cheeks. Opt for nutritious foods like lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats to fuel your body. These foods can help reduce overall body fat. Number 3 is hydration. Staying hydrated is vital for overall health, including the appearance of your skin. Make sure to drink an adequate amount of water throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated, plump, and healthy. Number 4. Hairstyling. Believe it or not, a well-suited hairstyle can also enhance the appearance of your cheekbones. Ask your barber to find a hairstyle that complements your facial structure and draws attention to those cheekbones. Number 5 is contouring. For a more immediate effect, you can use makeup techniques like contouring to create the illusion of hollow cheeks. Using a darker shade of powder or cream, apply it just below the cheekbones to create a shadow effect. These techniques are perfect for special occasions or when you want a quick fix. But remember, natural is always the best. So yeah guys, these were 5 valuable tips to help you achieve those coveted hollow cheeks. But remember, consistency and patience are key. With regular facial exercises, a healthy diet, proper hydration, the right hairstyle, and maybe a little bit of contouring. Then you will be on your way to a more sculpted and defined look in just 2 to 3 months. So if this video adds any value to your life, then hit that like button and subscribe. So it will be win-win for both of us. And if you want to know some attractive skills for guys which will make you stand out in a crowd, then click on this video. Stay attractive and get aesthetic.